tutorial for the Hero Archetype essay, which you will be working on. The first thing I want you to see when you open this PDF are the objectives that are met in this one assignment. I want to go over it with you real quickly together, even though I know you can read all of the information. But you're going to choose one of the characters that I have below. And I already have some little fact questions and answers. I know some people are going to say, well, what if I want to write about this, that, or the other? Well, you know, you have the wildcard essay 3, and you can choose a character for that outside of here, but I think you're going to find a good selection of characters from which to choose. I want you to think outside the box, and I want you to choose something from this list that is challenging and that will allow you to stretch your knowledge base. The Hero Archetype document is below the list of characters, and you will find the Hero Archetype that relates to the character you have chosen. So I've given you the outline, and I want to make sure you understand that if all you do is copy and paste this outline and submit it, that will be a 0. You need to fill in this outline. I've provided it for you so that you can see how to create an alphanumeric outline that goes over this topic. Remember, you will submit the completed outline, the word count, and a works cited page using MLA format. And throughout the website, you can see easybib.com as a site that helps you create bibliographies. If you've selected a character from a novel, you can Google that title and find usually free ebooks. You can certainly find a copy of that in your library. For screenplays, if you've chosen one of the characters from a screenplay, these are some link locations where you can find free copies of that screenplay. It's a lot of fun to watch a film and then go back and actually read the script. It's really enjoyable to see how that script looked on the printed page. This is the list of characters, and there's a number of them to choose from, so you'll choose one, and then you will think, now, does that character behave as a classical hero, a tragic hero? There's an entire list. And when you find the type of hero that you want to apply to your specific character, then in the bullet point list of characteristics, you will choose 3. You can choose 4 if you get excited about that, but you need to choose 3. Those 3 things that character does will then be referenced in your essay as examples. So you will have this aspect, this archetypal characteristic of your hero, and you will relate that to the actual novel, screenplay, poem, whatever it is that your character appears in. And you will show how this is true. There are a number of types of heroes. There are other kinds of heroes that exist in the world, but for this essay, we're going to use this list. You can assume that the aspects of an archetypal character on this list are accurate. You don't need to go and prove that, although if you've chosen an Epicurean hedonist hero, then you want to go to Google and put that in and see what information you can learn about it. This is a really fun essay to write. It's very challenging, and as you go through, you're going to pick a character that appeals to you, and you will go through this process of creating a well-written, complete essay. And again, as you look through the qualities for the essay, please read the answers to the questions that I sometimes hear so that you can choose one of the characters on this list and really enjoy this experience and move outside of plot summary and into the world of analysis. That concludes this tutorial over the Archetype Hero essay.